Hi Collective, ako ulit. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang weekend energy update ng Collective dyan. Pasensya na medyo madalang mag-upload. Siya nga po pala, una sa lahat gusto ko po magpasalamat po sa mga returning subscriber, number 1. Thank you po sa suporta since day 1. Thank you po. Tsaka po sa mga new subscriber natin, maraming salamat po. Sa mga nag-comment, nag-like at saka nag-share. Laking tulong. So, thank you po. Tingnan natin kung ano energy update for the weekend, for the collective. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, no? So, king and queens. Ang focus lang po natin dito is energetically. Okay. May nakikita akong travel. Ayan o. Ayan o. Hindi, kasi salamin po yung harap ko eh. So, nakikita ko. Chariot card. So, travel, moving around, or rearranging things. Mga bagay-bagay na yung lamesa dito, yung kama doon, kind of energy, basta moving. Okay. Tapos meron akong nakikitang hindi makatulog with the 9 of swords. Collective, meron kang 8 of earth na gustong lumabas pero hindi pa ako ready. Collective energy reading for the weekend, please. Page of fire. Meron kang mensahe, good news. Email. High priest. I think nararamdaman mo na meron kang incoming, meron kang parating dito. New ideas, new messages, or nag-expect ka dito. Ika-clarify po natin each card, so don't worry po. King of Fire, together with the Four of Water. This is an opportunity. Okay, collective. Sa weekend po, may nakikita akong mga good news dito, information. Okay. High Priest, I think, ginagamit mo dito ang iyong intuition regarding sa communication, sa Page of Fire, or sa mga news, or sa mga information na gusto mong malaman. Inquiring, nag-i-inquire. Okay, so you're using your intuition here if it's legit or a scam or something in that line. Four of Water, missed opportunity or rejection, ignored card. Nine of Earth. So, independent card, paying your own bills, smelling good, doing good independently. This is my independent card overall. Okay. From 8 to the 9. I think malapit meron kang 10 of Pentacle. Wow. So, 8, 9. Kasi ang 8 is all about career, hard work, creative. It's all about working hard. I think it's paying off dito collective with the 9 of Earth. You're paying your own bills, being independent, do all without asking any validation for who and who and who. Sa kung sino-sino or sa kung sino man. You're using your own intuition here, gathering information with the page of fire, meaning mga messages, inquiries, kind of energy. Four of water is all about rejection, is a protection, redirection, reroute, kind of energy. King of fire, very passionate. As I said po kanina, wala po tayong energy. Wala po tayong gender. Okay, sa energy. So, King of Fire po is very passionate, go-getter. Gagawin niya talaga. kung ano yung gusto niya. Unstoppable, okay. Very passionate, very motivated, king of fire, very giving, understanding, lawak ng pag-iisip. Katabi niya pati ang high priest. Okay. So, hindi ko alam kung anong information or anong inquiries ang ini-inquire mo dito, pero ang ganda ng ginagawa mo kasi with high priest, you're using your own intuition. Meaning based on experience or intuitively. Okay. Kung legit or scam or something in that line. Ten of Pentacles, breaking free dito, financially free. Okay. So, let's see. Clarify the page of fire for my collective. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, no better lang. Next time po, sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, let's see. Bilis naman, di pa ako ready. Pero lumabas yung Queen of Wands. Six of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, the Hangman, King of Wands ulit, at saka the Knight of Pentacles. Pero ang dami nila at saka hindi ko sila kayang isa-isahin since ang hinihingi ko is clarification for cards for the page of fire. Pero according sa lumabas na ang nakikita ko doon is pay attention, don't overgive at this very moment, most especially in weekend or at the end of the month. Overspending kasi meron kang stagnant energy at saka meron kang delay. So, pay attention po sa mga overspending, over purchases, big purchases na unnecessary. So, iwasan po natin yan. Okay. So, clarify the page of fire, please. Yun lang ang nakita ko. Slowly but surely with the Knight of Pentacles. Nakita ko rin kanina meron kang goals. Ay, meron kang mission. Okay, so madidelay yung mission mo kung mag-overspend ka with the mag-overgive ka with the Six of Pentacles. Meaning, meron kang mga upheaval or mga obstacle on the way para ma-stagnant yung mission na gusto mong gawin. So, para maawasan, to avoid those obstacle or mga incoming na challenges on the way while doing or while thinking about the mission thing. Sorry, yung lalamunan ko medyo nasasamid. Lakas ng energy kasi. Iwasan na lang po natin yung mga big purchases, mga unnecessary purchases, tsaka overspending. So, tingnan natin, clarify the page of fire. Page of fire. From my collective, please. Hindi ko alam kung klaseng news to para sa'yo. News, good news, information. Page of Swords together with the Page of Fire. Interesting. This is all newness. This is new for you in some point, in some area. Merong bago sa'yo dito. Chariot card, there is a travel or moving somewhere. Moving in somewhere. Positively. Nag-gather ka pa ng information, maybe nag-inquire ka when it comes to job or home, cars. Okay. Basta merong inquiry dito na ginagather mo, pero there is a good news. Merong good news sa inquiry, tawag niyan. How can I put this? parang nag-inquire ka, then there is a positive outcome doon sa mga in-inquirean mo. Siguro nag-inquire ka for how many, multiple times, tapos merong specific dito na talagang sinisigaw ng intuition mo. Okay. Wow, the Wheel of Fortune. This is destined to happen together with the Sun card. You're going to be happy. Kung ano man po ang ginagawa mong decision ngayon, collective, you better do it. Okay? Because you're ready. The universe is ready for you. It's on the air. Reachable. Okay. Ang sinasabi ko lang pong obstacle kanina na nakita po natin doon sa mga cards na nahulog, meron ka pong obstacle on the way para po maiwasan po natin yung kung ano man ang goal meron ka or kung ano man ang mission na gusto mong mangyari. Kasi in some point parang bago to sa'yo, hindi ko alam ba, places or merong bago. There is maybe new contract or new business ideas, be your own boss kind of energy. Merong bago sa'yo dito. Okay. 2 pages, meaning a fresh start. Okay. The Sun card, you're going to be happy. It is, para bagang yung words na, it's your time to shine. Okay. For a very long time na stuck ka, decision making, mga mali. Everything happens for a reason anyway. So, I think you're ready, collective. Whatever it is, you're ready. And the universe is ready as well. So, avoid lang tayo sa mga big purchases na baka ma-short ka or mag-lack ng finances dito or something in that line. Okay. Just focus on the reward. I mean, focus not in the reward. Yeah, I think in the reward. And focus on the journey. Most importantly. Number 1, focus on the journey. Embrace. To avoid po, para po maiwasan yung obstacle at saka mga upcoming upheaval. Yun lang po, overspending, overgiving, time, effort, finances. Okay. So, instead of kailangan mong para sa mission mo. Okay, yun ang naririnig ko eh. With the 9 of Earth. Overspending at saka overgiving. Magkakaroon ka dito ng delay, stagnant energy para makarating ka sa gusto mong or anumang idea meron ka. King of Pentacles. Wala po tayong gender sa energy pero meron ka ng 2 king. Wow, the Justice card. All about legalities. 4 of Cups. Dalawa na 4 of Cups dito. Kapag ka po paulit-ulit ang card sa isang lapag, meaning malakas po yung energy doon na merong someone na or maybe ikaw ayaw mo magkaroon ng miss opportunity kung ano man tong opportunity na to para sa'yo na ini-inquirean mo. Okay? Ayaw mo magkaroon ng miss opportunity dito when it comes to decision making. I think you are well trained based on your experience. I think marami ka ng experience when it comes to kung ano man ang ini-inquirean mo dito. Okay, pero in some point merong bago. Okay, maybe be your own boss. New career, as I said. Okay. Instead of staying in your own comfort zone, I mean, for a very, very long time sa imo comfort zone, I think you are ready to jump into another level. Basta merong level up dito. Okay. Meron din offer ng promotion, Justice card with the King of Pentacles, or there is a raise, bonuses din na nakikita ko dito, but I think merong rejection din na akong nakikita with the 4 of Cups. Merong additional dito, benefits, okay. Merong gustong ibigay kung ano man ang deserve mo, but I think you've already made a decision here or you're going to make a decision when this happen. Kasi yung in-inquirean mo dito napaka-positive eh. At saka talagang you're going to be happy kung ano man ang news na matatanggap mo this weekend or maaaring naganap na magaganap pa lang or kasalukuyang nagaganap. Merong another person dito na nakikiramdam na you deserve more than what you having, what you are having right now. I mean, merong bonus dito nag-iisip ng bonus thing, legalities, kind of energy. And I think somehow, somewhere, nagbibigay ka ng energy of rejection. Okay. Energy of rejection, definitely. Tingnan natin. Pero parang feeling ko dalawang scenario ang nakukuha ko dito sa second row. Ayaw mo ring magkaroon ng miss opportunity dito kaya ang lakas din ng intuition mo, ginagamitan mo ng intuition dito kasi when it comes to legalities, meron kang stabilization eh. I mean groundedness. When it comes to legalities, the things that you want. When it comes to this, kung ano man tong ini-inquire mo, career man yan, bahay, sasakyan, I think nafe-feel mo. Nakikita mo yung sarili mo along the road 20 years, 40 years, 50 years, I don't know, something in that line, na you are going to be your own boss if sa business or kung sa bahay naman, I think nakikita mo yung sarili mo sa bahay na yun, new house, new car, na talagang magpo-prosper, that it will ground you financially. Yun ang nakikita ko dito na pangalawang scenario. But at the same time, with the Four of Cups, meron kang hindi nakikita. You're seeing things in a different way or in a different perspective, should I say, with the Four of Cups. Four of Cups is disconnected or boredom. Bakit may ganun? Sandali nga. Clarify the Four of Cups. Hindi ko alam kung saang senaryo ma-relate kayo dito sa second row. Dalawang senaryo na pupulot ko dito eh. I mean, na nasasagap ko. Na-channel ko dito sa second row. Clarify the Four of Cups. Ten of Pentacles. Together with the page. Naglalabasan ng mga page. This is new. Or nag-i-embark ka ng newness. You are embarking newness, new atmosphere. Okay, meron kang bagong aura dito. Be your own boss, maybe business, mga permits. Okay. So, when it comes to Four of Cups, clarification is Ten of Pentacles at saka Page of Pentacles. Meron ka ditong doubt eh. What if na hindi mag-work or the what ifs na sinasabi. So, that's why nasa underneath po tayo ng High Priest. Meaning, use your intuition, use your knowledge here based on your experience with the Justice card. Together with the King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles is stay your ground. Kasi parang merong energy dito na puro simula with the Page of Pentacles pero hindi natatapos kind of energy. Parang ganun. Yung mga decision making mo before is palpak. Pero I think this time around, with the Ten of Pentacles, talagang for real. For real na to. Kahit ikaw parang feeling ko mapapatanong ka sa sarili mo na I can do it. Sana matagal ko na siyang ginawa. But I think meron ka, skeptical ka lang on something dito. Okay. Pero whatever it is, kung sino man tong person na gustong, as I said, sa first scenario, merong gustong mag-bonus dito or bigyan ka ng appraisal. Appraisal ba yun? Correct me if I'm wrong. I mean, when it comes to career, nakikita ka ng potential dito na you are deserving or capable on doing something. Okay. Alam mo kung paano i-handle multitasking. Okay. So, kaya magdadagdag or merong promotion dito. And sa second scenario naman, ikaw lang to baka meron kang gustong mga when it comes to legalities, papers, law kind of energy, and merong kang isip na baka ma-reject, baka hindi legit, baka scam kind of energy. So this is new to you, pero meron kang Ten of Pentacles, that means it's reliable, it's legit. So you have to go for it. Yun ang nakikita ko sa second row. Okay. So clarify the King of Fire. King of Fire. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, no, better luck next time po. Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, meron kang Ace of Swords, together with the world. Okay. It will turn your life around. Napaka-fiery, napaka-motivated. If ikaw lang po to collective na nag-i-embody ng King of Fire, very unstoppable. Walang makakapigil sa'yo dito. As I said, hindi ka, sinabi ko na ba yun? Ay, sa isang reading pala yun. Sorry naman. Pero anyways, ang nakikita ko dito, very unstoppable. Ang idea mo dito is talagang nagbe-burst. Hindi mo alam kung ano unahin mo, but with the Ace of Swords, meron kang clarity. The World card, kailangan ng ending of a cycle in order to begin new one. Meaning clean slate, new beginning. Out with the old, in with the new kind of energy dito. With the World card and Ace of Swords, all ideas nag-overburst. Parang business ideas, clarification ng King of Fire. Very fiery, very motivated, go-getter, unstoppable. Hindi siya nag-a-ask ng validation ng kahit na sino. This person is following this, gina-follow niya i-heart. Okay. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. Okay. So, ini-embody mo yung King of Fire energy. Passionate, go-getter energy, motivated, do or die, rain or shine kind of thing. Okay. Kasi merong aha moment dito with the Ace of Swords. Clarify more. Tell me more. Ace of Pentacles. Ang ganda. Collective. And the Eight of Swords. Together with the Five of Pentacles. As I said po kanina, King of Wands, double clarification. King of Wands po to sa traditional tarot. Dalawa sila, clarification. So, meaning, ang lakas dito. Ang lakas ng opportunity mo dito or kung ano man ang gusto mong mangyari, it will come to pass. Okay, Four of Swords, kailangan mo mag-contemplate, meditate, see the bigger picture here. Collective. As I said kanina, meron ka pong obstacle when it comes to finances. Pay attention sa overgiving kasi may tendency na ma-stuck ka. Ito lang ang dalawang negative card. Tingnan mo naman to, napaka-positive. Kailangan mong, or maybe old habit with the World card, kailangan mong mag-change. Physically, mentally, emotionally, overall. Okay. For you to realize how powerful the manifestation here, I think manifest mo to. Even though na hindi lumabas yung Magician card dito, but I think napakalakas ng vibration ng cards na this is what you dream of. Okay. Dreaming of. Okay. Unstoppable ka talagang gagawin mo na this time around. Hindi ka na magpapatumpik-tumpik pa. Pero, ang mga action mo po is, mga action mo ngayon is dadalhin ka. Sa kung ano man po yung action mo ngayon is dadalhin ka sa result. Okay? So, sa kung ano man po ang mga gusto mong i-action today, hindi ko naman po sinabi na ang minention ko lang naman po kasi overspending at saka overgiving eh. Rather time, finances, rather. Ibig ko sabihin, finances man yan, time man yan, effort man yan. Okay. Kasi meron ka ditong coldness eh, drain energy. Meaning, lacking on something. As I said po kanina. Tapos may tendency pong ma-stuck dito. Not seeing the situation from what it is. Okay. because of what? Past action. So, dadalhin ka sa situation na energetically, sa frequency na to. Kung ano man po magiging action mo along the way, okay, na which means parang feeling ko alam mo na may stuck ka or kukulangin ka or short ka or hindi sasakto sa magiging plano mo or something in that line but ginawa mo pa rin, I think there is no regret there. Parang feeling ko lesson learned. Meron kang may kailangan kang matutunan dito when it comes to finances. May i-stack up ka. Doon mo lang marirealize pag nasa frequency ka na ganito. Okay. Pero sa nakikita ko dito, napaka-positive. You can change. I mean, it's not too late. Ang nakikita ko dito. Basta ang warning lang is overgiving and overspending and financially man, emotionally, mentally, physically man yan. Kasi may stuck ka talaga dito. Okay. Short ka dito, magkakaroon ka ng luck. Okay. Magkakaroon ka ng delay. Kung saan mo gustong pumunta or ano man destination mo, ano man ang plano mo. Madidelay lahat ng plano mo. Laking aberya. Okay. So, yun nakikita ko sa third row. Clarify the Four of Water. What is this Four of Water, please? For my collective. Ace of Wands. Wow. The Strand Guard. Okay, rejection is protection. Three of Cups. Okay, redirection pala. And the King of Cups. Okay, kung ano man po itong mga in-inquire mo before, at saka may mga rejection kang natanggap or meron kang mga nireject, it is destined to happen kasi ginara-direct ka sa tamang spot or sa tamang destination para sa'yo. Okay. So, with the Devil Guard. And the 8, magkakaroon ka dito ng addictiveness or obsess energy. Workaholic energy. 8 of Pentacles at saka the Devil Guard. Meaning, overindulging, overworking is masama po. Okay, so, once po na ma-reach mo kung ano man yung, bawa nakamit mo na siya, okay, yung kung ano man ang plano mo, when it comes to legalities, lahat, nalagpasan mo na tong pangalawa, nandito ako na sa pangatlo ngayon. Okay, so nadala ka sa frequency, nalagpasan mo tong frequency ng stock frequency, tapos dumiretso ka na sa goal mo, nandun na lahat. Okay. So meron dito mga magmo-motivate sa'yo to push forward kasi meron kang Four of Cups, miss opportunity, rejection, something in that line. Pero I think the more parang feedback, yung improvement. I mean, for example, ang rating sa'yo for the first time na nag-open ka ng sarili mong business is 2-star, 3-star, until 4-star. I think learning the lesson here. But there is no regrets kasi motivated ka, you are celebrating that merong progress. Yung feedback ng mga customer o kung sino man, yung mga nang reject before, I think nakikita din nila yung progress mo. Okay, when it comes to your career or business or love life, something in that line. Okay. So yung nakikita ko sa fourth row, together with the workaholic thing, I think you are going to work your ass off like there's no tomorrow. So, pay attention din po sa overworking. Hindi rin po maganda yon. Kasi talagang ma-obsess ka dito. Lalo na meron kang 10 of Pentacles, bago to sa'yo. Bago. Merong bago. Pero well-experienced ka. Okay. Meron lang bago na na-add on. Na I think patagal mo nang manifest na gusto mong mangyari. But I think gagawin mo na siya this time around. Okay. Legalities, you're going to deal with it. Okay. Step by step. Together with the pillow portion, tsaka the sun guard, nakita mo yan. Tsaka lahat ng pages yata nandito. I mean, yung 3 pages lang, Cups, Swords, at saka Pentacles. Pero sa nakikita ko, you're going to succeed and congratulations in advance kung ano man ang plano mo or ano man. Meron ka mga suitors dito with the King of Cups or maybe ikaw lang to, pampering yourself, going to the salon, new image, new look. You know what I mean? Collective. Tsaka yung ano, mga addiction natin dyan, medyo pa-observe na lang. Okay, so, sitwasyon mo yan, ikaw pong nakakalam, ako po ay messenger lang. Don't shoot the messenger. So, tingnan po natin kung anong advice. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. Let's see. Advice for my collective, please. The energy is gaining momentum. Your hard work is paying off, as I said. Talagang meron ditong watching you from afar na napapaisip na you deserve more. I think the hard work is paying off here. Okay, you deserve promotion, level up, or bonus, something in that line. The energy is gaining momentum, collective. A new start is coming! Dang! Collective, a new start is coming. Sabi ko na, dito sa part na to, merong bago para sa'yo. Pero while experience ka, meron kang experience, meron kang lesson, meron kang naka-installed lahat sa'yo for a very long time. Mga ideas. Ngayon, this time around, I think gagawin mo na talaga siya for sure. Don't let your pride get in the way. Hindi ko alam kung saan part to makaka-resonate sa'yo. Don't let your pride get in the way. Be humble. Yun ang naririnig ko kung ano man ang mararating mo at kung saan ka man mapuposisyon ng universe sa kung anong na-request mo or anong minanifest mo. Okay, kasi I think this is a big event in your life na talagang magte-take place, na kailangang mag-take place, na kailangan din ng action mo. Kasi with the Ten of Pentacles, this is a generational wealth. So you need to take action. You need to, kasi meron kang Eight of Pentacles to the Nine of Pentacles to the Ten of Pentacles to the Wheel of Fortune to the Sun to the Ace of Pentacles to the Ace of Swords. What should I say more? Ano pa bang sasabihin ko? Pagdating sa advice, meron kang a new start is coming, your hard work is paying off. Don't let your pride get in the way. And the energy is gaining momentum. Saan pa ako sa singit niyan? Meron kang workaholic, meron kang devil card in the Eight of Pentacles. You know what I mean? Kung ikaw ay nanonood ng tarot, you know what I mean. So, tingnan natin kung anong angel message number. Angel message number for my collective, please. So, ang naririnig ko dito, humble. Humbleness is very important. Okay. Para mag-overflow ang blessing. At saka in fairness dito sa last, ang ganda ng approach mo dito kasi talagang yung feedback sa'yo, kung ano man yung mga comment na mali, I think talagang kinokorek mo siya obsessively. Talagang perfectionist, I don't know, but something in that line na hindi, ayaw mo na magkaroon ng the same mistake like over and over and over and over. So, kaya, bibigay mong pinaka-the best mo dito sa part na to. Okay. Ang feedback sa'yo is very important in this line. Okay. So, at saka meron kang suitors din dito. People celebrate you. Meron ka ding mga friends na I think you're going to meet like very long time hindi mo pa nami-meet. I think mga, I don't know, batchmate, like all of a sudden, there is a celebration here overall. Invitation. Okay. With the Three of Cups. Tsaka meron din ditong suitors with the King of Cups. Nonchalant lang siya but this person sees you. Okay? Collective. So just let me know in the comments below. Let me see. What is the angel number? Angel message number for my collective, please. Google nyo na lang po siya. Okay. Meron po kayong mensahe dito. Meron kang 5. It's all about change. Tingnan mo naman yan. 5 is all about changes. It's all about newness. It's all about stepping out into your comfort zone. So with the king, ancestral father figure, masculine energy, maybe kalulululohan or papa or something in that line. 5 for stability. 4 in numerology is stability, security. Ano pa bang sasabihin ko dito? 445 444. So, Google nyo po siya, 5444, angel message number. Meron po kayong mensahe dyan. Okay. So, makaka-relate po sa sitwasyon nyo ngayon. So, just let me know. This is what I have for you, collective. I hope po na-resonate, no? Sa mga hindi pa ma-resonate, next time po, better luck next time. Sa mga na-resonate, thank you po in advance. Maraming salamat po. So, this is what I have for you. Thank you for being here, collective. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one, and bye for now.